What if I told you that your daily habits are costing you millions? Yes, millions. The rich aren't born with money. They build it by mastering a few key habits. Today, I'll share 5 money mistakes you must avoid if you want to get rich and stay rich. Stick around, because mistake number 5 is the one that holds most people back. Mistake number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is the silent killer of financial growth. Studies show that over 60% of people in developed countries live this way, spending as much as they earn or more. Imagine earning $50,000 a year but saving nothing. What happens if you lose your job? You're one emergency away from disaster. The fix? Start by saving just 10% of your income. It doesn't have to be big. $100 a month is a great start. Automate it so you don't even think about it. Over time, you can increase it to 20% or more. Remember, small changes add up to big results. Mistake number 2, relying only on one income stream. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. That's right, 7. Yet most people rely on just one, their 9-to-5 job. The danger? If that income stream dries up, so does your financial security. Side hustles, freelance work, or even selling a skill online can make all the difference. For example, you could start a blog, sell handmade products, or tutor online. Start small but stay consistent. Diversifying your income isn't just a safety net, it's a wealth-building strategy. Mistake number 3, not understanding how debt works. Debt can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Credit cards, for instance, can build your credit score if used wisely, but can drown you in interest if mismanaged. The key? Learn to distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Good debt can increase your earning potential or net worth. Bad debt, like excessive credit card spending, drains your resources. Use debt strategically. Let it work for you, not against you. Mistake number 4, ignoring the power of compound interest. This is where the magic happens. Every dollar you invest today can turn into 10 over time, thanks to compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. The earlier you start, the bigger the results. Even $50 a month can grow into a substantial nest egg over a lifetime. Start today. The future you will thank you. Mistake number 5, thinking small. This is the mistake that holds most people back. Dreaming big isn't just motivational fluff. It's a proven strategy for success. The bigger your goals, the harder you'll push to achieve them. Set goals that scare you. When you think big, you think creatively, finding opportunities you never thought possible. Don't limit yourself. So, to recap, save first, create multiple income streams, use debt wisely, harness compound interest, and think big. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you'll be on the fast track to financial success. What's the first step you'll take to fix your finances? Drop it in the comments below. And don't miss out. Hit subscribe for more powerful strategies to transform your wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.